How to set a sleep timer on Spotify. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set up sleep timer on Spotify. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. After that, search for the Spotify app and look for updates. If there are updates available, update it, or else go back to your home page. Now from your home page, open the Spotify app. In Spotify, make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you log in, you will land to the home page. From the home page, select a song. Now on the screen, just to show you guys, I have selected a random song. After selecting the song, click on the three dot icon at the top right corner. On this menu, click on Sleep Timer. Now just like that, you can set up your timer. The time range for sleep timer is from 5 minutes to 1 hour, or you can even select end of track. Whenever the song stops, the sleep timer will get enabled. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.